Hey guys, Everything 3D here, bringing you another tutorial on Cinema 4D R18. Today we're going to be creating a Rubik's Cube. As you can see, this is a solved Rubik's Cube, so there's another simple tutorial that we're going to start for beginners. Let's go ahead and create a new page though. Alright, now that we're on a new page, let's go ahead and drop our cube into the work area. First thing you want to do is add segments. So under your cube, go ahead and add 3 segments for X, 3 segments for Y, and 3 segments for Z. Once you have that done, let's select the face on our left work plane. Make sure we have our cube selected and make the cube editable. So we press our shortcut C for that. Now what you can see is you have the outline of the Rubik's Cube. So now we can go ahead and let's create our colors. So the colors that go in our Rubik's Cube are white, black. It's very simple to make colors. All you do is double click your material and make your color. So we also have red. What else do we have? We have orange, I think. I think we have green as well. Yellow, and blue. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors, 7 colors, but one is just going to be the outline and stuff. So now we can start filling in our blocks. So let's select a whole side, and to do that we can go to our select tool actually. Make sure you're facing it, and just hold and drag around all the cubes. Make sure you get everyone on one side, and let's fill it in with let's make this side white. Actually, once we have it selected, right click, go down to extrude inner, which is MW, and let's extrude it to the left just a little bit. But before we extrude to the left, let's go to your extrude inner tools down here in the bottom right, and make sure you have preserve groups off. So you have it off, and now you're going to click and drag to the left just a little bit, just as much as you think your border is necessary, and that'll be it for that side. Now we go on to a different side, back to our selection tool. The shortcut for that is spacebar. We're going to go ahead and select one side, and we're going to make that one red. Right click, extrude inner, right to the left a little bit, kind of estimate to make sure that both sides are about the same. Right. Now we go on to the next side, spacebar for our selection tool, fill in that side. Let's make this orange. Extrude inner, and let's go ahead and make sure that it's even so it doesn't look too bad. That looks about good to me. Go to spacebar, select. Let's make this one green. Oh, there we go. Extrude inner. sure you're not clicking on the cube, because that'll mess up the extrude inner tool. Alright, and that's good. Alright, we've got all the sides. Let's do the top now. Spacebar. Select them all. Let's make this one yellow. Extrude inner. And let's make that border. Alright, that looks good. Let's do the bottom. As you can see, it's pretty simple, very easy to do. Once again, if you make any mistake, make sure you press Control and Z. That'll undo the last thing that you did. Alright, that looks pretty good. We're not done with our Rubik's Cube. Now the only thing we have left to do is the border. So to add the border, you want to drag your black under your cube. That's going to make the whole cube black. What you want to do is go to your texture and go click on the black material in the tools and drag it to the beginning before the white. And that is going to make the border black. So now when you pre-render, it's going to look very nice, very solid Rubik's Cube. That's about it. All to it, guys. A little under 10 minutes, so I think this tutorial was very nice, very easy. Once again, we're going to be coming out with more tutorials later. This channel's just starting up, so keep up with us and we'll learn together. Thank you guys. It's been Everything 3D here. I'll talk to you guys later.
That's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Be the band, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be